Hey, awas tepi.
I want dark colors. Really? So this one ke? Purple. This one? I think my room is going to be that one. This one. Number 5. Normally kat sini tau. Sometimes kat sini. So I'm not really sure. But I think it's this one. This bilik. Oh my god. My favorite ever. My favorite Christmas movie ever is like Christmas Chronicles, I think. Hi, Doctor. Huh? Kat rumah. You guys, y'all should definitely watch this. It's like amazing. Amazeball. Yahoo! Life with braces is so bad. So just now I was literally ready to record in the room or something, and then they were literally like, okay, you can literally put your stuff here. And I was like, oh, okay. And I thought of a record lah, but it's okay. But yeah, but dorang kata my gigi atas is like already okay. They tak letak colours, and I need some ice cream. So comment down below if I should do like a braces struggles, because I thought it would be really fun to do it. Wear braces also are the struggles, okay? I'm just wearing this so stupid outfit that my mom cakap bodoh. Sakit right now, literally sakit over here. The doctor just now, it tightened my like braces or besi or something like here. My gigi will literally just like ke belakang, you know, like it will literally stretch my teeth like that. Later I am gonna eat ice cream and it will just reduce my pain, so it's okay. I'm sorry for like being so dramatic just now. No, I'm alive, people. I'm alive. I'm so annoying. Okay. Luna, how are you? Leo is under the tree sleeping, I think. Okay, I need to carry them, put it here. I need to do like a bit like how I clean mine. Ow! I'm going to dump everything because macam ada sabun. Oh yeah, that's finally good. Okay guys, so it's done and my back hurts so bad, but it's all worth it. And why does it sound like that? Okay, I think I should. Okay. So but it's all worth it, and like they're the cutest thing ever. Oh man, I forgot to tell you guys that I actually created an Instagram account for Luna and Leo. It's Luna Leo 0, I think, and follow my Instagram obviously. I have like 2 Instagram accounts. Aireen Fadzli, which is my main channel. Oh my god guys, I totally meant main account, I'm sorry. And Ireen's Out of YouTube is my YouTube channel, our YouTube account channel. Go follow my Instagram and Luna and Leo's Instagram. Right now, I will give you like 200 likes. Okay guys, so I think I am just going to end this vlog right here. Sorry because I haven't posted anything on my YouTube channel, so I'm really sorry. I have tuition actually after this, but it's gonna be really boring. Hashtag stay amazing, and I'll see Hashtag stay amazing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.